Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What is today's topic? I'll let Charlie read the question here in a second. What it comes down to is somebody that said, I have a miter box saw and I have to fit something into like this routed area and it has to be precise. And sometimes, it's a little too big, just a hair too big. How can I take and make a precision haircut? Because every time I try, I end up, even if it's like a half a blade length or something like that, that I'm trying to come down and cut with that miter box, I tend to take too much off. Is there a better way or another way to do it? I'm going to explain to you how I do it, and we'll switch over to a photo after Charlie reads the question, and I'll explain to you how I do it. I think I can make it easier on you. It works for me, and it's pretty damn precise. So for right now, let's turn it over to Charlie. Charlie, go ahead and ask the question. Got to find Charlie. Charlie's sleeping something. Anyway, Charlie will read it and I'll be right back. We'll get right to it. Thank you.
Hey handyman, every time I use my miter saw and I come down on a piece of wood because I just need to take a little bit off, it seems like I'm always taking off a little too much. What happens if I want to take just like a half a blade width or just a little tiny bit because I want that really good tight fit? Do you have any tips on how I can do that?
Okay, folks, we're back. Let's take a look at the top picture. Bring that miter box saw all the way down into the bed when it's in the off position. Slide the lumber all the way up to it where it says bump and touch it to the blade. Okay, then bring that saw blade back up, turn it on, come back down, and it will take a very fine hairline kind of a shaving right off of that end. And you can use this bump and cut method and do it just a very fine amount each time. And pretty soon, it works for me. It'll end up setting into, like, let's say you're doing an inlay and I'm going to inlay something on wood. It has to be precision precise. So this is one method and one way of doing it. I learned it from somebody that I guess was cabinet maker or something a long time ago. I forgot. Somebody showed me the trick. It seems to work. It just takes like just a hair off. You're not taking very much off at all. Try that. I think it will work for you. So anyway, this is your quick tip of the day using that miter box for making precision cuts. Not a whole lot to say about it. I didn't read any questions off of the forum. If you have another method or another way of doing it, drop it in the comment below. Let me know what you think. Meant to be, like I said, fast, quick tip. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you like these fast tips. I try to get right to the point, deliver the information to you, and wrap it up so you're not spending 5 minutes listening to an intro and you're not listening to another 3 minutes of somebody's outro and all the fluff in between. So I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, drop the comment if you feel you have something positive to add. I hope to see you on the next video. We'll work on something else or we'll review something else. Thank you folks very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.